Hey everyone, we're going to take a look at how to export music from your iPhone to your Windows PC. The built-in way to export music is through iTunes, but if you've used iTunes before, you know how well that works. Not well at all. Most of my music doesn't show up. The ones that do are disorganized, the app is buggy, slow, and hasn't been updated in a very long time. Just check out those iTunes reviews. So instead, I'll show you a better, simpler way to manage your iPhone's music files. First, we're going to install AltTunes. AltTunes is this awesome program made by Softorino that allows you to do so much, whether it's moving music from and to your iPhone, managing your videos and photos, or making backups from your iPhone. AltTunes has everything you need to get the most out of your Apple devices. So head over to softorino.com/AltTunes to download the program. The link can be found down below. AltTunes is only available to universal license users, a license that costs less than a coffee and gives you access to tons of awesome useful apps for your Apple and Windows devices. Once you download AltTunes, go ahead and install it to your PC. Then launch the program and run through the initial setup. For the first time you use this app, you'll need to connect your iPhone to your PC with a cable. Then press Trust this device on your iPhone. When that's done, you can start managing your iPhone's files and do so much more. The left menu shows you all of AltTunes features. Let's focus on the Music tab. In the Music tab, you can browse, edit, and manage all of your audio files, or extract existing music from your iPhone to your Windows PC. So let's select these 3 songs. All we have to do is press Extract to Folder. Just like that, you extracted music from your iPhone to your Windows PC. AltTunes can do so much more. I use AltTunes for everything on my iPhone, whether it's to make a backup or extract text from iMessages to my Windows PC. AltTunes can do it all. AltTunes is available at softorino.com/AltTunes. It's currently only available for universal license users, and the universal license costs less than a coffee. So head over to softorino.com and check out the universal license. It gives you so much functionality for all your Apple devices, whether it's your iPhone, iPad, iPod, or your Mac, and even apps for your Windows devices. If you like this video, leave us a like, share this video with your friends that use iPhones, and stay subscribed so you don't miss any of the newest content. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.